Imagine this. You wake up one morning and your bank account shows a balance you never dreamed of. Your investments have skyrocketed, all thanks to decisions you made today. Sounds unreal? It's not, if you know where to put your money in 2024. But here's the catch. Most people will miss this opportunity because they're too afraid or too late. Are you ready to make a choice that could change your financial future? Oh, and before you say, crypto, that's just monopoly money for nerds. Stick around. I promise this video will simplify everything you need to know. Because the clock is ticking and 2024 could be a game changer. Let's start with the OG, Bitcoin. It's the first cryptocurrency and some call it digital gold. Why? Because it's limited. Only 21 million will ever exist. Scarcity creates value, just like gold or PS5s during the holidays. In 2024, Bitcoin's halving event is coming. Sounds geeky, right? But here's what it means for you. Every 4 years, the rewards for mining Bitcoin get cut in half, reducing supply. Historically, this has triggered massive price surges. Do you want to ride that wave or watch it crash without you? But here's the twist. What if Bitcoin's not even the best investment anymore? Stay tuned. Next up, Ethereum, the Swiss Army knife of crypto. While Bitcoin is like digital gold, Ethereum is more like digital oil. It powers an entire ecosystem of apps, from decentralized finance to NFTs. Heard of those cartoon apes selling for millions? Yeah, that's Ethereum's world. But don't worry, you don't need to buy a pixelated monkey to profit. Ethereum is upgrading to Ethereum 2.0, promising faster transactions and lower fees. Translation: more value for you. Miss out on this, and you might miss out on the backbone of the future internet. Do you want to be part of the revolution or left behind? Imagine a toll road that millions of cars use every day. Now imagine you own the road. That's Binance Coin, the fuel behind Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange. With BNB, you get discounts on trades and exclusive perks. But here's the kicker. Binance is expanding into payments, NFTs, and even gaming. It's like owning a piece of a tech empire. Yet, there's one cryptocurrency that might outshine Binance Coin completely. Ready for it? Yet, there's one cryptocurrency that might outshine Binance Coin completely. Ready for it? Solana is like Ethereum's younger, faster sibling. It processes 65,000 transactions per second. Compare that to Bitcoin's 7. Think of it as the Ferrari of blockchain. But don't worry, you don't need Ferrari money to invest in Solana, yet. With partnerships in gaming, DeFi, and even AI, Solana is positioning itself to dominate. And at its current price point, it might just be the best bang for your buck in 2024. But there's one cryptocurrency left that could redefine the entire market. Curious? Let's find out. Finally, Cardano, the scholar of the crypto world. This isn't just another coin. It's a blockchain built on research and peer-reviewed science. Sounds boring? Maybe, but boring often wins. Cardano focuses on solving real-world problems like digital identity and financial access for developing countries. In 2024, its new upgrades could make it a direct competitor to Ethereum. Wouldn't you want to invest in a cryptocurrency that's not just profitable, but meaningful too? So there you have it. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Solana, and Cardano. 5 cryptocurrencies that could shape your financial future in 2024. The question is, which one will you bet on? And if you're ready to start your journey to financial freedom, but don't know how to fund your first investments, I've got you covered. Click on this video to learn how freelancing can help you escape the 9-to-5 grind and build your first crypto portfolio. It's time to take control of your future. See you there.